Hi, my name is Al Aldridge, my wife Inez. We're here today in a lovely villa here in Stockton, California. And we'll talk to you about Ultimate Cycler. And Ultimate Cycler, when I first heard about it, my wife told me about it. And I didn't want to get into it because I was in another business. So Inez, won't you tell me how you got into Ultimate Cycler?
Okay, it was about a year ago that we first heard about the Ultimate Cycler, and I was real excited. I told my husband it was $25 one time out of pocket, and he was like, okay, not doing it, already in another business. If you want to do it, okay. So about a week after I joined, we went on vacation, took a road trip to Las Vegas, and my phone started ringing, and there was this number, a 917 telephone number, and I just ignored it because I was on vacation. I didn't know who it was. And finally, Al said, why don't you just see who it is? And so I answered, and there was a recording that said, congratulations, you have someone that landed on your pay line. I couldn't believe it. I got that recorded message several times while I was in Vegas, and then Al became a believer and he wanted to join too.
So when I saw my wife getting that money, I said, okay, let me check this thing out. So I checked it out. I said, wow, you get paid that quick? As a matter of fact, when I joined, I paid my $25, and guess who I paid? Her. And
Me.
guess who she gave it to? Me. So I paid myself. So, but anyway, Ultimate Cycler really work, and I think everybody needs to be in the Ultimate Cycler. So we call it UC. It's direct and instant pay. Well, I call it DIP, direct and instant pay. And we get paid 100% of the pay. As a matter of fact, when I invest $25, and then I got two people in, those two people got 2 people a piece in, and I made $100. That's 400% return on my initial investment. I like that.
So the Ultimate Cycler does work. I recently retired, and we're excited about getting $100, $200, $400, $800 paydays. So
$1,000 paydays.
exactly.
The day.
So
yes.
if you haven't joined, check it out. Join the Ultimate Cycler. You'll be glad that you did.
Thank you.
Out.
It works when you work it.